Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is really exciting because it is a Halloween collab video with my friend Max. I will leave his YouTube, his video, as well as his Instagram down below for you guys to follow. He's so talented. His reviews are really in-depth and really good. They're not just your basic, oh I like this product, this is what the product looks like. He really puts the products to the test. His makeup skills are really good as well. Like, guys, like, I just love the guy. And spoiler alert, I'm not going to tell you what accent he has, but his accent will definitely keep you hooked on to his videos. And we're one of each other's biggest supporters. He actually came up with the idea for us to do a rainbow clown collab. We talked about doing a collab a couple months ago actually, but we just never came up with a video idea that we both wanted to do that would fit for like the season and whatnot. And then with Halloween right around the corner, we figured like a Halloween collab would be really fun. But again, like, what kind of look were we gonna do instead of just both doing random looks? Like, kind of do looks that were like in the same theme. And he came up with the idea of doing a rainbow clown, so that's how we came up with these rainbow clown looks. I'll be sure to leave all his information down below as well as the video, and you guys definitely go watch it, go give him some love, like just do it. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I started off with applying moisturizer to my face and my body, and now I'm applying foundation as well, and all of this is just going to help keep the paint from staining and act as another barrier. And then I'm applying a plumping lip gloss because clowns have those big lips. I also went and did my brows off camera, and I decided just to keep regular brows with this look instead of clown brows. As we'll see for the video, I honestly had no idea where I was going with this look. I jumped all over the place, but here I'm just using a white face paint to outline the little collar. And next I'm just taking a Kat Von D eyeshadow primer and priming my eyes, and again I love this one because it acts like a concealer as well. And then I'm just setting it with a white eyeshadow from the Sephora Editorial Pro palette, and yeah, doing that on the top and the bottom. And then I'm keeping, if you look at a rainbow where it's Roy G. Biv, like the warm tones and the cool tones, I'm starting off by taking 2 of the orange shades from that Sephora Pro palette, and I'm keeping that on the left side of my face. So for the face side, the left is going to be the warm tones. And then I'm taking a yellow from the ColourPop Yes Please palette and putting that as a brow bone highlight because that Sephora palette didn't have a yellow. And then I'm taking 2 purples from that same Sephora palette and putting that on the right eye, and then on the brow bone I'm using the mint blue from the palette. And then I'm just taking a black gel eyeliner and cutting the crease with it, I guess. And yeah, I'm winging it out as well into like a winged liner. And then I'm just going in with the orange shades and the purple shades and blending it with the black. And then I'm just taking a white to start off with, where I'm going to do the colorful tears, I guess. And then I'm doing that with the red on the warm side and then a green on the cool side, just because those are the colors of the rainbow I left out on the eyeshadow portion. And having the white underneath is totally fine because we're going to be painting our face white afterwards, so it just acts as a little bit of a guideline and also to help keep the paint from staining directly on your face. And then taking a black face paint, I'm just drawing the triangles on my eyes. And every time I do the triangles, they always get bigger than I want them to be, but you know what? It's okay. We all make mistakes. We're not perfect. Just roll with the punches. I didn't feel like erasing it all and starting over, so I just left them big. And then I'm outlining the diamonds that I want on the top of the triangles, and I'm just using the shades that I used as eyeshadow on the diamonds as well. But I'm using face paint instead of eyeshadow for it. And then here we are painting our face white. And it takes a couple layers. I don't know if I was just doing it too watered down, but it might have been easier to start off with the white face paint so you don't have to go around everything, but you know, it works. And then I'm taking a light pink and starting on with the nose and then outlining it with a darker pink. And then highlighting it with a white. And then for the chest, I decided to flip-flop it and do the warm tones on the other side of my body and then the cool tones on the other side as well. So I like flip-flop so it didn't really match with the top, and then just filling it in. And then I'm going to take a fluffy fan brush and blend those two colors together. So I blend the red and the yellow together, and then I'll be blending the blue and the purple together as well. But yeah, all the face paint I use is Mayron, those little paint palettes I have, as well as like a single white and a single black face paint I have from them. And then I'm painting the collar pink and purple with like that bright pink that I used for the nose, and then a really light purple color, and then outlining that with black face paint, and then blending them together as well with that big fluffy brush. And then yes, I know I missed parts of my back, but it's just so hard to wash it off at the end of the day, so you know, as long as what shows up on camera, we're keeping it like that. And then I took like a mint blue, and with no rhyme or reason other than the ends of the collar to make X's there instead of little poofs, but the rest of it I just did X's and just lines, no rhyme or reason to it whatsoever. Then taking a really small brush and black face paint, I am drawing on the lips. You could use lip liner for this, but I don't have a really sharp black lip liner right now, and I didn't really want to sharpen. I had face paint, and I was like, I know how to do it with face paint. It just gives you a more precise line anyways. And then filling it in with a dark purple face paint anyways. And then I'm stippling on the colors on the face to match like the eyes. So I'm keeping it warm tones on the left and cool tones on the right side of my face. Applying mascara, and then applying a light yellow gold inner corner highlight and an iridescent purple inner corner highlight as well. And then contouring the nose with the colors on the eyes. Going back in with the blue and the yellow to intensify the brow bone highlight. And then I'm applying a glossy purple lipstick because my memory card filled up and I went to go eat and the paint had washed off my lips a little bit. And I'm applying false lashes with a purple tip, and that's it. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the little post notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. So don't forget to go check out Max, his YouTube and his Instagram. Tell him I sent you and just go show him some love. And yeah, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello, lovely, I'm corruption. I just noticed that you seemed a little down. Just sign right here on this line and I can change your life.